Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with Sumi. In this video, we're going to show that if vector f is equals to x plus y plus 1 I plus j minus x plus y k, then show that vector f dot curl of vector f is equals to 0. So this is the given vector f is equals to x plus y plus 1 unit vector I plus unit vector j minus x plus y unit vector k, and curl of vector f can be found as del cross vector f, that can be written as I, j and k, and then dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Right, then we have this vector f, x, y, x plus y plus 1, then here I have 1, here I have minus x plus y. Right, so if I find the determinant of this, I hope so you guys are like very expert in finding the determinants till now. So just leave this column, leave this row. Here we have like differentiate partially with respect to y. So it's going to be, this is going to be 0, this is going to be 1, so this is going to be minus 1 minus, then I have partially differentiating with respect to z, 0 minus j. So leave this column, leave this row. So it's going to be partially differentiating with respect to x, it's going to be minus 1 minus, this is going to be 0 plus k. So I have, this is 0, this is 1, right? So minus I plus j minus k. So vector f dot curl of vector f. Now here we have to find the dot. So just multiply this dot with the vector f with the corresponding elements. So we get x plus y plus 1 I plus, I'll just write the vector f first, j minus x plus y k, okay, dot what I have, minus I plus j minus k, right? So I'm just gonna do the dot product with this. So it's going to be x plus y plus 1 plus 1 plus x plus y, right? Then minus x, it's going to be, I'll just remove the brackets, x plus minus x minus y minus 1 plus 1 plus x plus y. So minus x plus x minus y plus y 1 1. So it's going to be vector f dot curl vector f is equals to 0. Let me tell you how I have found. The question is, if vector f is equals to this, then show that vector f dot curl of vector f is equals to 0. And this question was asked in the paper 2018, 2014 and 2013 paper. Okay, so now let's see, this is the given vector, and curl of vector f can be found del cross vector f. So I, j, k, by finding the determinant of this, we get curl of vector f. So now we need to find the dot product with the vector f and curl of vector f. So if we find that, we get, after simplifying, we get vector f dot curl of vector f is equals to 0. Hence this was the proof. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to share it with your friends. subscribe it, like it and comment if you have any doubts. Thank you so much for watching.